In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in a table using Google Docs. Merging cells is a simple but effective way to organize and present information more clearly, especially when working with tables. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening your Google document that contains the table you need to edit. Once your document is open, scroll to the section where your table is located. Before you can merge cells, you'll need to decide which specific cells you want to combine. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells to highlight them. It's important to highlight exactly the cells you need, as this will directly affect how your table's contents will be displayed after merging. Once you've highlighted the desired cells, the next step is to right-click on them. You'll need to ensure that your cursor is hovering over the highlighted area when you right-click. A context menu will appear, offering you various options for editing the table and its contents. Take a moment to explore these options if you're curious, but for our purposes, we're going to focus on merging. In the context menu, you'll want to look for and click on the Merge Cells option. Selecting this option will tell Google Docs to combine the highlighted cells into a single, larger cell. This action will immediately adjust the layout of your table, so don't be alarmed if you notice any changes in the size or placement of your text or data within the table. This is a normal part of the merging process and is usually what makes your table look more streamlined. And just like that, you're done. Merging cells in Google Docs is a quick process that, with a little practice, you can perform in seconds. One helpful tip is to always double check the rest of your table once you've made changes, as merging cells can sometimes affect how other elements of the document interact. This includes ensuring that any data meant to be presented together stays logically grouped and easy to read. Finally, if you're not satisfied with the result or if you accidentally merge the wrong cells, don't worry. You can easily undo the merge by clicking Edit in the menu bar at the top of your screen and selecting Undo, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Z or CMD+Z on a Mac. Remember, merging cells is a great tool for enhancing the readability of your tables, but like all things, it should be used judiciously. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in mastering the merging of cells in Google Docs. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.